Hey beautiful people, if you're new here, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. You already know what today's video is about from the thumbnail, so let's jump right in and get started. So we're gonna be needing a crochet needle, and this is the air I got from Amazon. I'm gonna be linking it below. First, we need a solid foundation. I'm doing cornrows on this side, and I'm gonna be braiding the rest, so that way you'll be able to see the way I'm doing it. For the cornrows on the side, we're going to part this way. So this is my first cornrow. All right, let's get into braiding this hair down. As you can see already, I've started the cornrows. That's the one that's going to be on the side, but I'm going to be showing you guys the way I part the cornrows too, so that way you can see what it looks like parting. I'm splitting this up because it does take some time, but you also want to make sure that your cornrows are neat and also a little bit firm, because you don't want to make it too loose. This part of the process is very important if you want the exact same look that I have. But if not, you can also skip the video to 503 to see the cornrow patterns that I have for the crochet. Also, I want you to stick around until the end of this video, and I will show you the secret to keeping your Toyotress crochet frizz free and tangle free. You won't want to miss this step-by-step maintenance tip, because it is very important, and I want you to know exactly what to do, because it's going to help your crochet last at least 3 to 4 weeks, and that is if you don't want to keep it in for too long. So if you want to know this maintenance tip, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to be sharing that. Now that our foundation is set, it's time to install this beautiful Toyotress Ocean Wave crochet hair. I'm using 8 packs for a full voluminous look, but you can also use less depending on how full you want it to look. Make sure to watch this process closely. So what I just did was just slide the crochet pin or crochet hook under the braids and pull the hair out and loop it through. But if you watch closely, you're going to see what I'm doing, and the reason for doing this method is because I'm creating an illusion so it looks natural, and you'll see the reason at the end of the video. So stay tuned and let's get to the end of this process together. Now, one thing I love about this Toyotress Ocean Wave hair is how soft and natural it feels. It's lightweight, tangle free, and the curl pattern is giving scalp. Okay, I mean, just look at how it is coming together already. Like, I'm not even done yet and it's coming together already and it's looking good already. So I'm going to speed this process up right here so you can watch my hand movements. Okay. And just like that, we are done. Look at this transformation. Like, the curls are soft, the volume is perfect, and it honestly looks like a fresh sewing. Like, come on now. Now let's talk about maintenance, because I want this style to last for you as long as possible. So the first thing I want you to do is always make sure that you wrap your hair at night. It helps to prevent it from freezing. I know they always tell you to use mousse, but please do not use mousse on this hair. Just get a spray bottle, put in water, and put in any form of leave-in conditioner that you have. That's all you need to maintain this hairstyle. Also, you don't have to put in any products when it's freshly done like this. So you only put the leave-in conditioner when it's like maybe like a week or a week plus and you want it to come back to life to look good. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.